Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the second question in exercise 8.1. In the figure, find tan P minus cot R. So let's redraw the diagram for us for reference. So you're given a right angled triangle and it is marked as this side vertex is P, Q and R. So Q is a vertex where it is 90 degrees and it is given that PR is 13 centimeters, PQ is equal to 12 centimeters. Now what we need to find out is going to be tan P minus cot R. So let's first compute tan P. So tan P is going to be equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So according to the vertex P, the opposite side is QR by adjacent side is PQ. We already know what is the value of PQ. So let's find out what is QR. So here again Pythagorean theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square plus QR square. This is Pythagorean theorem. The sum of squares of these two sides is going to be equal to the square of the hypotenuse. We need QR square. So QR square is equal to PR square minus PQ square, which is 13 square minus 12 square. This is 169 minus 144, fetching us a 25. So QR is equal to 5. Now that we have got it, we will be able to directly find out what is tan P. So tan P is going to be equal to 5 by 12. Now let's compute what is cot R. Cot R is going to be opposite side by adjacent is going to be tan R. So for cot R, it is adjacent divided by opposite. So this is going to be the R vertex. So let's see, the adjacent is going to be QR. So cot R is going to be again QR divided by PQ. We simply found out the value of this particular thing right now. So I'm substituting this is 5 by 12. The question is find out what is tan P minus cot R. So simply subtract these two. 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. So the answer is 0. Don't forget to do this calculation, otherwise you will lose the marks in the exam. In the next video, we will see how to solve the third question in exercise 8.1. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.